Good morning, students. Today we shall learn about some folk dances of the world. So, what are the folk dance? So, the traditional dance of the common people of a country and reflection of their culture is known as a folk dance. So, first of all, we will talk about Milonga dance. So, Milonga dance is from Argentina. It is a dance which could be said to be variation of the tango, only the former being more relaxed. The roots of this dance go deep into the Argentinian folklore. So next is gumboot dance. Gumboot dance is from South Africa that is performed by dancers wearing Wellingtons. What are the Wellingtons? Wellingtons is a type of boot. This dance originated from the black miners and was their form of entertainment. The dance was formed when drumming was forbidden by the authorities and hence the boot were used as the alternative. Next is Hele. It is a folk dance hailing from Turkey's eastern, southeastern and central Anatolia region. It is extremely popular and engaging dance of the country which is accompanied by equally rich music and instrument. Now, Sama dance. So, Sama dance is from Brazil. It is a Brazilian music genre and dance style with its root in Africa via the West African slave trade and African religious tradition. Next is Baladi. Baladi is from Egypt and this is a typical belly dance which involved tribal area of the country and hence is very a traditional dance of this country. Next is Irish step dance. This step dance involved from traditional Irish dance and is today quite popular around the world. The dance can be performed wearing either of the two kind of shoes, hard or soft. The best part is that it can be danced solo or in groups. Next is Tarantella. So, Tarantella is related from Italy. Around the 16th century in Taranto, which is in Italy, people broke into a dance to ward off death from the highly poisonous bite of a tarantula spider. They would dance in a frantic and hysterical fashion to fast music, and this is which later come to be known as the name of this dance. Next is casino. For the Cubans, this is the more than just a dance. It is a part of their tradition and social life. The steps and the music makes this an entertaining dance and one that has been adapted in various other countries too. Next is Joget. This is a Malaysia's most popular traditional dance with an upbeat tempo performed by couples who combine fast, graceful movement with playful humor. It has its origin in Portuguese folk dance, which was introduced to Malacca during the era of spice trade. So the last is Sama dance. Sama dance is from Indonesia. It is a typical Gayo tribe dance performed to celebrate important events in Adat. The song lyric is Saman dance uses Gayo language of Indonesia. So that's all for today. Thank you.